This is more tools than I possibly know what to do with. Looks like a train container. Y'all, if you can't find the tool, the set you're looking for here, I don't know where you're gonna find it. This is 180 pieces. This is 180 pieces of every size. Wind up lending these out and never seeing them again. So you can come back on TikTok shop and buy yourself a new one. This is definitely something my dad would appreciate. In this little tool here, I don't. Holy smokes! Is it turning? It is turning. Look at that! Wow, these glasses are old, and I found it right there. This it looks like 3.5.